Life on Earth began approximately 3.8 billion years ago. From a single common ancestor, life has diversified into an estimated 8.7 million species. The mechanism driving this incredible diversity is evolution by natural selection, first described by Charles Darwin in 1859. How did life begin? The Miller-Urey experiment showed that organic molecules could form from inorganic compounds under conditions simulating early Earth. RNA world hypothesis suggests that self-replicating RNA molecules were the first forms of life. Deep-sea hydrothermal vents with their rich chemical gradients may have been the cradle of life. Charles Darwin's voyage on the HMS Beagle led him to observe that species change over time. Natural selection works on three principles: variation exists in populations, traits are heritable, and organisms with beneficial traits survive and reproduce more successfully. Over millions of years, this process creates new species. The discovery of DNA's double helix structure by Watson and Crick in 1953 revolutionized our understanding of evolution. DNA carries genetic information encoded in 4 chemical bases. Mutations in DNA sequences provide the raw material for evolution. Modern genomics allows us to trace evolutionary relationships with unprecedented precision. Fossils provide a historical record of life on Earth. Transitional fossils like Tiktaalik show the transition from fish to land animals. Archaeopteryx bridges dinosaurs and birds. The fossil record documents 5 major mass extinctions, including the asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. The eye is often cited as an organ too complex to evolve, but science shows exactly how it happened. Starting with a light-sensitive patch of cells, each incremental improvement provided a survival advantage. From simple eye spots to the compound eyes of insects to the camera eyes of vertebrates, evolution crafted this remarkable organ multiple times independently. Our lineage split from chimpanzees about 6 million years ago. Australopithecus walked upright. Homo habilis made stone tools. Homo erectus mastered fire and spread across the globe. Neanderthals survived ice ages. Homo sapiens, our species, emerged about 300,000 years ago in Africa before spreading worldwide. Evolution is not just history. Bacteria evolve resistance to antibiotics in real time. Peppered moths changed color during the Industrial Revolution. Darwin's finches on the Galapagos Islands evolved beak shapes in response to drought within just a few generations. We see evolution happening all around us. Natural selection is not the only evolutionary force. Genetic drift describes random changes in gene frequency, especially in small populations. When populations become geographically isolated, they can evolve into separate species. The 14 species of Darwin's finches all evolved from a single ancestral species that reached the Galapagos Islands. Sometimes different species independently evolve similar traits. Bats, birds, and insects all evolved flight separately. Sharks and dolphins have similar shapes but are not closely related. The camera eye of octopuses and vertebrates evolved independently, a beautiful example of evolution finding the same solution twice. Modern phylogenetics has reconstructed the tree of life using DNA sequencing. We now know that all life belongs to 3 domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. The deepest branches reveal that complex life arose from an ancient merger of bacteria and archaea, when one cell engulfed another and never let go. Evolution is not a thing of the past. It is an ongoing process that continues to shape every living organism on Earth. Understanding evolution helps us combat disease, develop new medicines, and appreciate the profound connections between all forms of life. We are not separate from nature, we are part of its grand story.